Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify complex topics and bring you valuable insights. Today, we're diving into a subject that everyone desires but few truly understand: financial freedom. In this video, we'll break it down in simple words so that you can grasp its meaning and significance. So, let's get started. Hey there, folks! Have you ever wondered what it means to achieve financial freedom? Well, you're not alone. Financial freedom is a goal that many people strive for, but its definition may vary depending on who you ask. In simple terms, financial freedom refers to a state where you have enough money and resources to live life on your terms, without worrying about finances holding you back. At its core, financial freedom means having control over your finances and being able to make choices that align with your values and goals. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, and live life on your own terms, without being burdened by money-related stress. Financial freedom is often associated with having enough passive income to cover your expenses. Passive income refers to money earned from investments, businesses, or assets that generate income without requiring your constant involvement. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that your bills are covered, and you have the freedom to choose how you spend your time and energy. Achieving financial freedom requires careful planning, budgeting, and smart financial decisions. It's not just about how much money you make, but also how you manage and invest it. There are a few key elements to consider when striving for financial freedom. First, it's important to live within your means and avoid excessive debt. Building a solid foundation starts with spending less than you earn and saving a portion of your income. Visual representation of saving money, cutting unnecessary expenses, and reducing debt. Second, investing wisely plays a crucial role in building wealth and generating passive income. Investments can include stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. The goal is to let your money work for you, generating additional income over time. An animation showing various investment options like stocks, real estate, and business. Third, diversification is key. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you reduce the risk and increase the potential for returns. Remember the old saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." Well, it certainly applies here. An animation showing diversification with different investment options. Achieving financial freedom is not an overnight process. It requires patience, discipline, and perseverance. Start by setting clear financial goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them. Create a budget, track your expenses, and eliminate unnecessary spending. Small steps can lead to significant progress over time. Remember, financial freedom is within reach for anyone willing to work towards it. Many successful individuals started with very little and built their way up through dedication and smart financial choices. It's never too late to start taking control of your financial future. So, there you have it, financial freedom in simple words. It's about having control over your finances, generating passive income, and making choices that align with your goals and values. Start by taking small steps today, and before you know it, you'll be on the path to financial freedom.